Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about data classes, which are useful for quickly and easily creating blueprints for instantiating objects. So let's get started. Add data class, new line, class, point, column, new line, x, column, int, new line, y, column, int, equal 0. And let's create an object, p1 equal point, parenthesis, 3, 4. New line, print, parenthesis, p1. As you can see, we have been able to create an object and print it easily. Now let's add also a method to this class. Def distance underscore to parenthesis self comma other column new line return met dot sqrt parenthesis self dot x minus other dot x double asterisk 2 plus parenthesis self dot y minus other dot y double asterisk 2. Let's create another object, p2 equal point parenthesis 2, 2. Print parenthesis p1 dot distance to parenthesis p2. And let's run it. As you can see, we obtain the distance between these 2 points easily. Now let's use another decorator at property new line def distance underscore from underscore origin parenthesis self column new line return mat dot sqrt parenthesis self dot x double asterisk 2 plus self dot y double asterisk 2. And let's print the result. Print parenthesis p1 dot distance from origin. Because we use the decorator, we don't need to use the parenthesis, and we can call it as it was an attribute of this data class. Now let's recap. So we learn how to create and use a data class and how to use the property decorator. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.